Good morning. What an absolutely gorgeous campsite, but I'm having the weirdest twilight zone experience because I lost an hour of daylight last night, of course, which I should have back this morning, but because the sun is behind these rocks and because it's cloudy, even though it's 7 a.m, the time that the sun has been coming up even before the clock's changed, I still don't have the sun, which means like I feel like my hour of daylight is gone. Weird feeling. Anyway, good morning from my gorgeous campsite. Still no sun, but no wind either. He was sat there for half an hour. He asked for a light and then he just didn't leave. So I filmed the flag and now he's jogged off. Some people are weird. One of the very best things about having a belt is not needing to worry about it getting sandy. Just a bit of water and nothing more. Good as new. Good campsite. I'm going up into the hills again today, just for the day, but to see something that's described in the guidebook as the cat house. There's a lot of requests for cats, so I'm going to go and visit some cats. So far so good. I'm climbing about 400 meters over 6 kilometers. So what's that, 7%? If it stays consistently like this all day, which I think it's supposed to, or all morning, it should be fine. Ugh. Cat place isn't open yet, so I've come to this monastery, Agios Neophytos. I don't know what to expect here because I missed it from the guidebook somehow. Amazing.
Something about you, you know I crave your touch, but we don't need to rush.
The smell of incense in here is absolutely superb.
Immersed inside my mind, maybe it's a sign, 'cause it's already over.
That was an astonishing accidental find. Okay, time to find some cats. I crashed down to film this guy, but that's never happened before. Are you alright up there, mate? Help yourself. Make yourself at home. Cute and everything, but I'm honestly stuck now. Oh no, there's two. Ow! Okay, guys. Okay, you have to jump off. Ow! Ow!
Tala's been here roughly between 12 to 14 years.
Yeah.
It was started by a couple who had lost their own cat down in Tala, so they came up here looking for their cat.
Yeah.
And then they found a whole colony that needed feeding.
Oh, wow.
And from there they started feeding the colony. More and more started coming from the monastery down.
Yeah.
So the land is donated by the monastery, and on the grounds of being able to help the cats.
Yeah.
That was over 12 years ago it started, and now we're around the 500-600 mark for the cats.
Crikey.
Every cat in the park is trapped, neutered, vaccinated, and any ones that you see in the sheds are undergoing treatment, which we work with vets with as well. And yeah, it's a little slice of haven here in Paphos just for the kitties to not be on the streets, really. So
Amazing work.
They've done amazing work, everybody.
This is my sister-in-law's dream and kind of my nightmare. Okay, hop down. Oh!
Something about you, immersed inside my mind. Maybe it's a sign, 'cause it's
Got a bit of cash left over this month, so I've got myself a fancy lunch with calamari and chips, and I'm not sharing. Another thank you to make for another PayPal donation. Thank you so much, Paulie. You absolute star. Very, very grateful indeed. Thank you so much. I haven't spent it yet, but as soon as I do, you will be the first to know. Thanks again so much, Paulie. You legend.
something about you. I know it's hard to find. Listen,
This rather lovely campsite was in the Park for Night app. Actually, it recommended somewhere on the bluff up here, but it was quite rocky, quite windy. Here, I've got some protection from the bushes. There's a few dog walkers about, but I think there's a good little patch here. And again, West Coast sunset, love it.